guys, today we're going to make mini envelopes. So first you need a diamond shaped paper. Then you're going to fold it in half like this. Then this is going to touch the bottom like that. And then the other bit here is going to do the same, but like not all the way down. So like that. Then these bits here are going to go down like that, like across, and the same with the other one. There. So it should look like that. Then we're gonna lift this bit up, pull this in a bit more, and this one too. So one is on top of the other. And then you're gonna use double-sided tape, only a little bit. And put it on here. And then you're gonna cut the bit like that shows. Then you're gonna peel it and cover it just like that, so this doesn't like keep going out. Then this bit goes under like that, and then this goes on top. So you can decorate it like with these stickers. I'm gonna put one in the middle, just like that. So you can open it, and then there's gonna be spaces over there where you can put your mini things. So if you want to make a small one, just get a small square diamond with that, and then just do the same thing. Fold, smaller, that. Lift these up, attach those together. In this one we need a tiny bit of double-sided tape. It's hard to peel. There. And then you can put this down and close it. And there you have a small one. Let me put another sticker. Like this. So you have a big one and small one. You can get a piece of paper and write things and put them inside. Like that. Let me do one now. So you'll need this paper, and then you're gonna cut it in the shape you want. A heart, square, rectangle, anything. And I'm gonna just do this one. And I'm gonna get purple and write happy birthday. Okay, it's kind of hard to write with these big pens in the small paper, but this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take out the small one and put it inside. So here are the two ones. I hope you like this video, and I hope you know how to do these, and see you guys next time. Bye!